Alright, here we are.
Sorry.
We have just purchased this network digital video recorder and we can't seem to get it operational for some reason. Put on the monitor there. So if the reason being we got this thing is because we had a few extra cameras we needed to add, which we did. Yet on the other 4-box video devices, they work quite well. And when we put on this box, doesn't seem to want to go on or off. Put the power on. That's on, and we have that
Loading screen.
And if you want to turn around the back of the device here, we'll show you what we haven't put all the cameras in, we've just put a few and we've had no real results. The only thing that we do get results with, there was one camera working sometimes and sometimes not. So and there's a what's it called, signals you get on the screen. There's the back of the thing. Ben's trying to log in there.
There are the settings, the admin, the user, no network settings, the camera and the resolution and the kilobytes per second for the bit rate, the external memory, finish, and no cameras are all working.
And none are working at the moment.
We've had one that has come
Sometimes one comes on, sometimes it doesn't.
And there's no reason for it not to.
There's no reason for all the others not to either.
Yeah, they're all working.
But that's got a little, that's a little red light there.
That's the sound.
And that's what's happened. We can't seem to get any cameras to work. And yet when you put them on the 4 thing, yeah, they work okay.
Yeah, on the 4 output.
Out, yeah.
But on the 16, none more.
And that's
So I'll show you the log. The log is quite long.
what's the log from?
That's the log. It shows everything that we've done or
Motion detector.
every system change. And
Okay, well, that's what we've tried to do.
motion detector.
And nothing, no success as yet. All in all, I hope you can help us with this problem. Well, I'm not too sure whether it's the unit. The unit seems to go on. Maybe it needs an updated program or what's it called. If you can help us out with any troubleshooting ideas, I'd appreciate that. Anything else you'd like to add, Ben?
No.
Okay, over and out. Have a great day.